With homeschooling my kids, my mornings can be kind of crazy, so I really like having a good, easy smoothie recipe. And this one is strawberry banana, so it's a flavor that I really enjoy. It's so easy to put together. I just start with 1 frozen banana, 8 medium-sized frozen strawberries. If I do large strawberries, I'll only do 5 of them. 1/4 of a cup of orange juice, 1/2 of a cup of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Then I'll blend this on high until it's nice and smooth. I really like this recipe because it's thick enough that I can use it either as a smoothie or I can make it into a smoothie bowl. Either way, I kind of like eating it with a spoon. And then sometimes I'll sprinkle just a little bit of chia seed on the top of it. If I'm making it into a smoothie bowl, I'll do maybe some sliced fresh strawberries, sliced fresh bananas, the chia seed. You can even do a sprinkling of nuts if you like. All kinds of different options there. Okay, so the taste tester. You get the banana taste with the strawberries. That yogurt flavor comes through. It's just a little bit sweet, but not too much. And then, of course, there's that little bit of citrus orange in the background. Really good. It just reminds me of breakfast. It's perfect.